Hey Princess Squad, it's T here. It's almost Valentine's Day, you guys, and do you have a cute Valentine's Day card for your Valentine? If not, follow this cute DIY right now. Today, we're going to make a Valentine's Day fidget card, and you're gonna need some simple supplies that you can purchase from Dollar Tree. You need some cups, rubber band, tissue paper, a poster board, some fidget toys that you can get from Dollar Tree, some marker, a glue gun, and of course, glue sticks. And of course, scissors. So I plugged in the hot glue gun. While we wait for that to heat up, you're gonna take your red tissue paper and cut it into 6 squares. So I have our squares. You actually only need 14 of these. I just went ahead and cut the whole thing. But let's line up our cups to make sure we have like a heart shape before I hot glue it, because sometimes I get super nervous and it like does not become the shape I want it to. And there's 14 cups in case you're wondering. And voila. So this is our heart right here. And it's a nice heart shape. So now we're just going to glue it. Got my hot glue gun and I'm just going to put glue on here. Gotta work fast and press it down and keep going. Gotta press it down. All right, this is the last one. And we're just gonna put that on here. Make sure it's lined up. Okay, so I'm pressing it down and I wanna show you guys my heart. Check it out, got me a heart here. So next up is the fun part, going to put in some fidget toys. So got this one at Target, super cute, only $1. It's a heart, I had to. It's a keychain and let's listen to it pop. Hold on, let me re-pop it up and let's listen, you guys. All right, we're just gonna fold this and stuff it in here. It wouldn't fit, so I'm gonna have to fold it like this. Okay, stuffing it in here. Next up, we got these squishy pals. Got this from Dollar Tree. They actually have these at Five Below also. Got these from Dollar Tree. These little stretchy, warm monkey noodles looking things. Putting that in. This, you guys, I got some putty. It's super cute. It's from Dollar Tree. These are heart shaped with googly eyes. We can test some of them out. I'm excited. So I hope it feels good. I'm just gonna cut this open. Take it out. So come out, come out. Okay. The eyeballs are attached to here. Ooh, I thought it was slimy, but it's actually kind of brittle, pretty decent though, pretty and clear. Okay, so we're just gonna, I'm gonna keep this one for myself because I opened it, and we're gonna put another one in here. Next up we have this jumbo Pop It. It's super cute and it's tie-dye, my favorite. Stuff it in here. And then now we have monkey noodles. You guys, I love monkey noodles. Got this one from Five Below. Just gonna stuff it in here. And then we have this warming looking thing from Dollar Tree. Gonna stuff it in here. Next up we have a little squishy squeeze ball. Got this from Five Below. Just gonna put in the cup. We have this snapper thing that we got from Dollar Tree. This fidget spinner. Got this one from Five Below. Let's listen. Sounds super good and it spins like I said. Just gonna put that in here. Got me a little Pop It bracelet. Just gonna stuff that one here. One of my faves, pop tubes. infinity cube, you guys. I get lost playing with this. And last but not least, these bean toy here. I always forget the name. If you guys know what the name of this one is, leave it in the comment and let me know, because I always forget, like marble, mesh. I think it's like mesh and marble. I can't remember. But there's 2 of them. We're just gonna put it in here. And there you go. All of this is filled up. All right, so now that each one of these cups have a fidget toy in there, we're going to go ahead and put our cover over. So we have this sheet here that we cut. We're just gonna put it on top like so, and use our handy dandy rubber band and put it over like this. And then pull it down just to make it look a little bit nice. All right, do it again. All right, here we have our giant heart fidget pop it with fidget toys inside. It's almost all done. We're just going to use these markers to write a sweet little message over here. And all done. You can also write more messages around the border or even in the middle for your Valentines. And your Valentine can open one a day until Valentine's Day. Just like this, poke a hole, and get themselves a fidget toy or whatever you decide to put inside. And again, Alright, Princess Squad, that's it in today's video. If you like more DIYs, make sure you follow this channel and leave a comment down below to let us know what other DIYs we should do. Also, follow us on our TikTok and our Instagram at princesssquad.official. And always remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!